It's time. No more messing around. Having a dance off. As you can see, the Conquest has turned back into a shelf. The reason for that is because I haven't driven it. And the reason for that is because it's just, I keep fighting the same problems. So last video you saw us, we had it running good. I was doing donuts and stuff. It was pulling hard. It was running great. Next day I took it out. I was actually going to give my brother a ride in it because I felt good. I was going to get his reaction with it, and that time came and it felt like a complete turd. And the RPM on the AFC was jumping around again. So I said, you know what? I'm done with it. Done with it all. Just throwing in the towel.
Selling Grandpa?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna get?
Camaro.
A Camaro?
Yeah. No.
Mustang.
Yeah. No.
Firebird?
Civic.
CRX?
No. Oh yeah. If anyone's
Even
got a free
fit in a CRX?
I don't know. Hey, probably not. But what we're gonna start on today, it's not gonna be finished by a long shot. I'm finally putting in the standalone. You know, trying to get the maf-t and the AFC to work together. For those of you that have had success with that, kudos to you. But taking out all the old junk, putting all new stuff in, and see if we can get this thing running better. So yeah, I'm gonna be basically, I'm gonna have to redo the inside here because I'm gonna have to redo my gauges because I'm getting rid of that AFC. I'm not happy with how, I never really finished the gauges. This one's kind of just dangling here. So, and I can't see the air fuel ratio, the AFR gauge, while driving. It's kind of hard to see, so I want to move that up. And I know there's a company that sells, I'll just make my own, whatever. Alright, so I guess we're going to start clearing off this stuff. We probably got to, I'm sure we got to take the whole front end off, right?
If you're going to take the wiring back out.
Yeah. Yeah, because we're going to be taking out what I don't need to get ready to put the standalone in. So yeah. Not going to be a very exciting video, but it's going to be informative and educational.
On what not to do.
So for those of you that don't remember, a good Fran of the channel, Level 10 Photography, actually gifted me a standalone ECU. It's a Wolf 3D. I think it's an Australian company. It's an older ECU, but I mean, hey, I'm gonna use it. It'll work great for what I'm gonna be using it for. It also came with a wiring harness for an FC RX-7. I don't have the standalone with me. It's at Randall's house because we got to replace a fuse in it because we blew it, and got to fix a wire because we broke it. So we're gonna try and figure out what's what on this. I haven't been able to find a pinout really for the ECU, but we're gonna try and make sense of this spaghetti here. If anyone has ever used the Wolf ECU, I think it's Wolf 3D version 4. If anyone's got the pinouts for the plug, send them my way. That would be greatly appreciated. Because we're trying to make sense of the wiring and everything, but we can't seem to find anything online about it. I guess maybe because the ECU is old. I'm pretty sure those are the injectors. That's the what is that? The mat? That's the what is that thing called?
What? Boost control
Oh,
solenoid?
yeah, that's the boost control solenoid. I'm thinking that might be the IAT, the intake air temperature sensor wiring. I don't know, it just looks like it to me. Don't know what that is. Those plugs down there. So yeah, if you got the pinouts, send them my way, because it's really hard trying to find them online. Never thought I'd see the day where I'd have to put the dollies back on the car. Just kidding. I knew it was coming sooner or later. No, that is not a POG.
Okay, that was my exact question.
Yeah, we're gonna put the dollies on so we have better movability with the car, since we're gonna be tearing all the wiring out of it, basically. Thanks again, Mr. StarQuest Joe, for the dollies. Coming in handy once again. So yeah, we're gonna jack the car up and then we'll probably just take the fenders off. I don't think I have to take the bumper off because of where we ran the wire loom. So yeah, we're gonna take the fenders off, jack the car up, take the fenders off, and start unhooking.
What are you doing? Need a bigger jack. Yeah, I'm gonna have to agree with that.
That's as far as it goes. So we gotta do one at a time. For all the hydraulic fluid leaks out of the jack. All right, car's back up on the jollies. The jollies. The car is back up on the dollies. Fortunately, that's gonna be all we have time for today. It's just a quick little update video.
Since we've been kind of slacking lately, like we kind of fell off.
You know what we shouldn't have done? It said we shouldn't have put out what we wanted to do this year.
There's already like 2 things on there that I'm done with. I'm not even
make more videos, and that has not happened.
No.
Between waiting on parts for the Supra and
that'll never run.
Just fighting with this thing, it's just like it kind of takes the wind out of your sails. But we're gonna get back in the swing of things. I promise. This time I'm 100% committed to putting the standalone in. I know there was a few videos like.
Well, we started it.
And then I don't feel like doing this. Yeah. Put it all back together. But this time, I'm tired of messing with the stupid little problems I'm having with all the piggybacks. So yeah, I'm just putting in the standalone. So, like I said before, if you've ever put this ECU in the Wolf 3D version 4, I think it is, and you got the ECU pinouts for it, I'd greatly appreciate it if you can send those to me, because I can't find them anywhere, and I don't know what wires go where. Maybe next video we'll have the Supra fired up with the new T70 on it. It's been crazy trying to get this one part that we need to get it ready.
No, it's not even the one part. It's been since it started. Just finding parts to do the whole thing has been like, it's just been difficult to find anything.
Yeah.
And nothing has gone like it's supposed to. I mean, when does it ever? But
no. Especially with these cars, these older cars. It's expected, but.
And we're going to try to do the podcast again. Except a little bit different this time.
Yeah.
We'll do it.
It won't be super early.
No more. I'm not changing the name, though. But we'll be on, like, season 86, I think, is what we're coming up on.
Yeah.
It's coming back, and we're going to try to change it up. We're going to try to get some guests. And maybe, someone who knows something about these cars. Maybe pick their brain.
Should be exciting.
It'll be exactly like this, just awkward. We're like, so, you like Supras?
How's your day going?
Yeah. Tell us about yourself.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Yeah, so that's going to wrap it up. Thank you for watching. I know this wasn't very exciting, but we felt like we needed to put something out there. If you want to help in my standalone adventures, you can go here. sandrmotoring.com and pick yourself up some sweet merch. Not that. That's not ours, but this is. Might change it up a little bit. So we might have some new merch coming soon. So keep your eye on that. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye, folks.
Peace.